this is Damini, co-founder of BMX Scholars. As promised, I'm back with a video on what happens to your education loan if you defer your intake or if you opt to study one semester online. Just at the very initial stages of the COVID issue, around mid of March, we at BMX Scholars could sense that study abroad plans of many may start looking hazy. So the very first thing we did with respect to the loans from private banks and NBFCs is that talking to their CEOs and product heads, requesting them that if a student has paid you processing fee for fall 2020 intake, we want the sanction validity to be extended by another 1 year. That is up to fall 2021 intake. So I'll just explain what that means. As per the usual norms of NBFCs and private banks, after you pay them the processing fee, within 6 months you have to take the disbursement, that is within 180 days, else the loan gets cancelled. Now let's say if you pay the processing fee now and later you decide to go next year, in that case you'll have to pay the processing fee again next year, which is not a very small amount. Hence the first thing we wanted to make sure is that in such uncertain circumstances, our students shouldn't pay the processing fee again if by any chance they had to defer. Therefore, we have taken approvals from most of the NBFCs and private banks saying that they are ready to extend the validity by another 1 year. So if you have paid a processing fee to any private bank or NBFC via BMX Scholars, or if you are going to do it anytime soon, you need not worry at all. Even if you defer to spring 2021 or fall 2021, you won't have to pay the processing fee again. Talking about the public sector banks, they have the same usual policy. That is, you have to take a disbursement from your education loan within 6 months of the sanction, else the loan will be cancelled. So during these uncertain times due to the COVID issue, we did approach public sector banks requesting them to extend this validity. So we could convince them on this condition that without restarting the whole loan process, they will be revalidating all the sanction letters at the processing centers directly. So for this revalidation, you will have to pay 50% processing fee again and get a new legal report. With these basic charges, you will be able to get the sanction revalidated in a minimal time frame of 4 to 6 working days via BMX Scholars. So to summarize, if you have applied or completed your process at any of the NBFCs or private banks or public sector banks via BMX Scholars, then you need not worry at all. Even if you are deferring your intake, we are trying our best to make sure that the policies are put in your favor. Lastly, talking about the second possibility, that is one semester online. So most of the NBFCs and private banks are fine with it, but they are awaiting further clarity on the visa part from embassies. Most of the public banks are fine with it as well, as per our initial discussions with them. On-paper policies will be released as soon as the lockdown gets over. That's it from my end. If you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, then please click like and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be looking out for funds during these times. You may subscribe to our channel if you want to be notified whenever we publish any new videos. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.